nag-register kami December, need po namin mag-file for ITR for last quarter of the year. If so, hanggang kailan pwede mag-file? The answer is yes, tama po. Kailangan na mag-file ng annual income tax return year 2023 dahil na-register mo yung freelancing business mo ng year 2023 kahit last month pa, last month of the year, December, makikita mo siya sa BIR Certificate of Registration mo ng start of filing ng annual ITR mo ay January 1, 2024. Take note lang, annual ITR na po yung fina-file pag 4th quarter since wala pong 4th quarterly income tax return. Makikita rin naman natin yan sa quarterly ITR hanggang 3rd lang siya. Kaya yung ipa-file mo ay annual ITR year 2023 na. Start ng filing, January 1, 2024 at ang deadline, April 15, 2024. Although malayo pa ang deadline, recommended natin mag-file as early as this month. Start na nga ng January, di ba marami na nakapag-file. So wag nating hintayin yung deadline. Bakit? Nagkaka-system traffic din po si BIR, baka magka-problema pa. Late filing, may penalty. File as early as you can. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.